Place the chair on a level work table. You will start by removing the rear wheel. Lift up on the seat upholstery to slightly fold the chair to allow the mounting plate to slide. Unscrew and completely remove the 4 screws holding the rear wheel mounting plate using a 5mm hex key. Open the mounting plate hinges at the top and bottom, and move the mounting plate along the notched rail to the location of the center of gravity prescribed by the therapist. The center of gravity is measured from the front of the rear vertical tube of the frame to the center of the axle receiver. You can double check your measurement as he is demonstrating by lifting the armrest and measuring from the front of the back cane to the center of the axle receiver. Once you are satisfied, close the hinges. Apply medium strength thread locker adhesive to the last threads of all screws. Insert and screw in the 4 screws that hold the mounting plate onto the frame. Now you're ready to reopen the chair. Apply a tightening torque of 12 Nm to all 4 screws on the mounting plate. It is important to note that you will need to adjust the wheel locks on the wheelchair after adjusting the center of gravity. You are now ready to put the rear wheel back on and repeat on the opposite side.